We are now in the most enchanting and interesting world of IT-enabled business process services, Vedanti Finserv Private Limited. The company was established in the year 2001. The company has experienced and dedicated employees who work for the betterment of the company. The security and secrecy is always an utmost priority and important protocol of the company. Vedanti was founded by Vidyadhar and Bijal Pawar, both engineers and experienced in IT. Vedanti provides BPO and call center services across banking, finance, insurance, real estate, telecom, manufacturing, IT and healthcare industries. Vidyadhar, MS Computer Science, is the chief mentor and founder of Vedanti Finserv. He is a certified information systems auditor.
Namaskar. Vedanti Finserv Private Limited, as you know, we are in the field for 19 years and we are already proven our capacity and abilities in the field of business process services, medical transcription, medical billing and coding and teleradiology. I take pride here as Vedanti started teleradiology services in India in 2003 and since then we have been managing the diagnostic labs in South America, in Guyana. We have started providing the BPO services in India. Our vision is always to provide value for money products and services with international standards. We have been investing into emerging technologies which will give great output to our esteemed customers. We not only want to become executors for our customers, we want to become their partner by sharing our knowledge and our expertise to improvise their processes. As a call center, we provide voice as well as non-voice services. Services like lead generation, inbound and outbound services, email support, chat support, customer retention, customer acquisition and receivables, what we call as a collections processes. And in non-voice processes, we provide data management, data conversion, document management system, etc. We look forward to expand ourselves not only now domestically, we want to go international in voice as well as in non-voice services. Thank you.
Vedanti's powerful and flexible contact center system is specially designed to provide technology unique to the call center industry. There is always a feature that allows you to say yes to your client's request. Vedanti provides predictive, progressive and preview inbound, outbound and blended contact center solutions. Our contact center system comprises of automatic call distribution, interactive voice response system, leads management server, robust agent desktop, comprehensive campaign manager and integration with third-party CRM software. Agent-based recording, supervisor console information of status of agents and dialer reporting guide them through call handling process. Our call center supervisors, monitors and manages agents with the most complete and fully integrated reporting tools in the industry. Our experienced services takes care of cross-sell, upsell, customer care, activation and order processing, collection process. Under Mr. Vidyadhar's direction and guidance, Vedanti Finserv leads to achieve its strategic goals and milestones. He has strong leadership qualities and is an efficient team manager. His experience in information security, IT infrastructure designing and management leverages effective and efficient utilization of information technology. Ms. Bijal Pawar, an electronics engineer, is also a founder of Vedanti Finserv. She possesses deep knowledge of IT infrastructure and software application development.
Apart from operations, I believe that quality training is the best foundation for any successful company. Vedanti Finserv as a company has matured enough to produce a manpower which is highly skilled to match international standards. We have also successfully created an environment which is employee-friendly by indulging in many HR activities like R&R, award functions, birthday celebrations, parties, etc. Because we believe that a happy employee gives us a happy client.
Diverse situations, diverse demands, diverse solutions. Everything just by a single company that helps its clients to focus on their core competencies with reduced operating costs and operations scalability. Vedanti was instrumental in establishing the call center for Dewan Housing Finance Limited, DHFL, and managing the operations successively for 11 years since its inception in the year May 2007. Vedanti has helped their clients in home loans, education loans, mutual funds, and insurance to manage their business processes. The office seat capacity is expandable as per requirement. Vedanti Advantage, building strong relationship with trust.
Solid partners.
Flexible solutions.
We are Vedanti.